In today's video, we're talking all about probably one of the most underutilized pieces of filming equipment that you should be getting and should be using with it in your work. And that is a polarizing filter. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films. And yes, in today's video, we're talking all about the polarizing filter and the reasons why you should be using this little filter when you're taking photos or videos. Now, polarizing filters are a filter for your camera lens. They have a thread on the back so you can screw it right onto the front of your lens, and they come in different sizes so that you can fit them to any camera lens that you have. When you have the filter attached to your camera lens, all you need to do to activate this is just turn this ring from left to right. Now, there are two real big advantages of using a polarizing filter, and this is why I feel like you should be using it for your projects. Now, the first reason why I love using a polarizing filter so much is because it increases saturation. If you point a polarizing filter towards the sky and you turn it from left to right, you'll notice that the blue in the sky will start to pop out and the colors will start to look even more amazing when you turn this filter. And the second reason why I love this so much is because it removes reflections from glass or water. So if you're shooting through a window, so you're shooting a car scene, for example, and you're on the outside of the car, pop a polarizing filter onto your camera lens and turn it around and watch those reflections from the windshield completely disappear. Now, if you didn't have a polarizing filter and you wanted to remove reflections, then you would have to bring in a big black sheet and put it over the window. And that's just going to increase production. It's going to increase the amount of hands that you need on set. And that's just really impractical if you have a small budget. So by popping this little thing onto the front of your lens means you can reduce those reflections and shoot through the window and see the talent inside of the car. The polarizing filter is really underutilized, and I would seriously recommend you getting one if you're a photographer or a filmmaker, because they can really help out when you're taking videos or photos. And there you go. I know this was a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the last video by clicking this box down here. And also, don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon just up there.